Hi, and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we are going to show you how to make cells bigger in Microsoft Excel. So by the end of this video, you should be able to go from this cell width to this cell width. Also, we will have some additional training options for you at the end of this video, so stick around for that. So let's say I have a worksheet like this, and I can see that all of my information in my cells are not fitting correctly. And these are various column widths. So the fastest way to do this is you can click right up here between A and 1 to select everything. And then hover your mouse between any two columns until you get this cross mouse, and then just double click. And then all of your columns will be automatically sized. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. For our second example, you can also use the wrap text method. So if I select my cells here, and then I right click, and I go to Format Cells. If I check this Wrap to Text under the Alignment tab right here, and then I say OK, I can see that my cell height will be automatically adjusted to fit all of that information in there. So there's some other ways to do this, and we go over that on our blog. And I'm going to include a link to that blog entry in the description below on YouTube if you would like to go there and learn more. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them for us and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.